Walking across a hardwood floor barefoot and feeling even a tiny bit of grit is enough to ruin a quiet morning. You know that specific frustration when you realize you have to drag out the heavy upright vacuum for the third time in a week? This new flagship robot vacuum changes that entire dynamic by making itself almost invisible. It sits there in its sleek white dock, looking more like a piece of modern art than a cleaning tool. This is a massive leap forward in home automation. It focuses on doing the dirty work so you can actually enjoy your space. The suction power is the first thing you notice. We are talking about a level of strength that pulls stubborn pet hair out of deep carpet piles without a struggle. If you have dogs or cats that shed constantly, you know the battle against those rolling tumbleweeds of fur. This machine wins that battle every single day. But the power is only half the story. The real breakthrough is the level of independence this unit brings to your home. Most older robots still require you to empty a tiny dustbin every single day. That is just another chore. This system has a base station that acts like a miniature service center. It sucks the dust out of the robot and stores it in a large bag. It even washes the mop pads and refills the internal water tank automatically. You're not just buying a gadget here. You are buying back hours of your life. One of the biggest headaches with hybrid cleaners is how they handle mixed flooring. Nobody wants a wet mop dragging across a nice rug. This unit solves that problem with a clever lifting mechanism. The moment its sensors detect a carpet, it pulls the wet pads up and away from the floor. Your rugs stay bone dry while your hardwood gets a deep scrub. The navigation system is equally impressive. It does not wander around aimlessly like a confused toy. It uses high-end sensors to map out your rooms with startling accuracy. It knows exactly where the sofa sits and how to navigate around a stray pair of shoes. You can open the companion app and see a perfect digital layout of your entire home. From there, you have total control. Maybe the area around the kitchen island needs an extra pass after you cook. You just tap a button and the robot heads straight there. You can even customize the water flow for the mopping function. This is vital if you have delicate wood floors that cannot handle much moisture. You get to decide exactly how much water hits each specific surface. The price point is certainly positioned at a premium level. It is a serious investment for any household. However, when you factor in the time saved and the consistency of the clean, the value becomes clear. It turns a daily headache into a silent background process. You walk through the door after work and the floors are just done. There are no streaks and no missed corners. It is a rare example of a machine that actually lives up to the hype. It is reliable, it is powerful, and it is genuinely smart. This is the future of keeping a home tidy without lifting a finger.